It's been a long, bumpy ride sitting back in the saddle. It's time to get down, dirty up our knees into battle. Oh, come on, round up the boys, gonna make
Hold
the
them up.
walls rattle.
Oh, we got a nice rub there.
And our bones are shattered, but it doesn't matter 'cause we're moving forward. Round them up, let's go. Round them up, let's go.
Lake of the Woods. A little after 3 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up, showered, and we're all getting ready to go. Have about a 3-hour drive. It's supposed to snow all day, which is going to suck. We're headed out about 22, 23 miles out. We have a reef mark that we fished last year. Absolutely killed them on this weekend a year ago. Little different conditions. Last year was about 40 degrees. Wasn't a single person out there. This year there's a lot of people out there, and we're going to have to try to find a reef and catch a fish.
Lost the phone, that's awesome.
Alright, we're out here on Lake of the Woods. Team got back. We just landed our first little walleye. We're way out 23 miles or so on a reef that nobody else is on. It's actually a sauger. No, it's actually a walleye. Beautiful little walleye. So, be a good day.
Doug, I was in the background the whole time.
Ho-ho-ho! Decent fish there.
What is that, a bluefin?
That is a good looking tuna.
It's an 800-pound bluefin, buddy.
Number 2, boys. Been here about
That's a dumb
2
looking
minutes.
tiger shark.
Get back to you.
Another one. Huge walleye.
Really an absolute giant.
Beauty.
Let him go.
That was too nice.
You gonna go, buddy? Go, buddy.
And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Oh yeah. It's been 15 years since I left home. Said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see?